What's up guys, Broken Master here, and today I am here with a new video. You know that. Today we have a new game on the channel, which is not this game, and is the one and only Crossy Road. So yeah, I had to redo this because of bad graphics and it kept on like crashing. So hopefully this time it will be better. We have the Rainbow 14 Unicorn, the one and only coin. No! Poor unicorn. No. I'm a chicken. Oh my god. Why? I was literally one. No! Lol. Anyways, I'm going to be... Why is this chicken always failing me? That's it. I'm gonna go hardcore with this chicken. Dum 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 dum. Nope. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. No. Nope. I'm going to be a musician. This music is amazing. Amazingly amazing. So cool. Alright. Hello? No. I'm trying to make it to London. No. My only dream was to go to Paris, the city of love. Yeah, I love this music. Giddy go. Giddy up, horsey. He's not the horse, so... Giddy up, goaty. Let's go. What's up? Oh, no. No, I wanted to change his character. No, I don't want that dude. So yeah, tomorrow is Ramadan, so Ramadan Kareem everyone. And R.I.P. Muhammad Ali Clay. Was a good man, good wrestler, good Muslim. May he rest in peace. Sorry if that was bad grammar. I'm nervous right now. Because Giddy Go is like... Oh my god, no. Okay, fine. Coin. No! Darn it. Well, this time's a charm. No! Never mind. Going to be a celebrity. Oh yeah. Let me take photo. There's no photographers. There used to be photographers. Oh, there's a photographer. What's up? How can these lily pads hold me up? Seriously. Oh, Mighty Eagle just grabbed me. Hashtag the Angry Birds movie. Mighty Eagle just grabbed me, guys. Took me to the lake of wisdom. No! You mess with Mighty Eagle, you mess with nature. Now, Oh, I remember this dude. Like alien. The thing I like about him is that he's fast. Not like all the other dudes. Like they take like half a year to like half 2 seconds. No, 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 no. Darn it. One more round with the chicken and I'm done. Chicken. Stop buck buck. Buck 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 buck. No! That's it. So there you go guys. That was Crossroads. And leave a like and comment down below if you want more of this. I can make it a series. And add me on Twitter. Name is Adnan Al Put it in the description below. So I am out. Bye bye.